Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail name. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. In order to change your Gmail name, after opening the application, click on this profile icon. From there, you just simply have to click into Manage Your Account. Now, click on Personal Info after coming into the Manage Account section. Now, you can see this name option in the Basic Information setting. Click into that name option. Now, after coming to Settings, you can change your name and nickname here. Just simply click on the pencil button beside the name. Now, you can erase your old name and enter a new name in order to change the name. Click on the Save button to save the new name. By following this very easy step, you can easily change your name in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.